Hi, I am Lizzie.
And I'm Scott.
Welcome to our channel Just Now TV. Today we will review one of the well-known engine oil in the market. The product name is Iridium.
Hey Lizzie, I heard Iridium Nauru had moved recently?
Indeed, Scott. Before I go further, we would like to announce you Iridium Nauru Service Center has moved to new location. It's about 600 meters off from previous spot, and to be precise, it's located next to Nassim Auto Enterprise. And yes, the new place offer you spacious and comfort to everyone.
Well Lizzie, I was wondering what engine oil should I use for my car?
Let's see what mileage of your car made?
I really don't remember this, Lizzie. I suppose it's above 100,000 mileage. I'm driving small compact car 1.3cc engine.
Well, I would suggest you to walk into Iridium Service Center. Reason being is to physically see your car condition before recommend you the suitable engine oil. Alright. Everyone, the new engine oil recently in the market is fully synthetic Gold AU20. It comes 3-liter and 4-liter packaging. This is an upgraded version with low friction. Iridium is the German technology, and we bring you at affordable price.
In fact, the price that Iridium offer you already inclusive with 45 checkpoints of your car. These ideas are to educate customers how and why it is important to take care of your car. Can you imagine Iridium charged you only ringgit 25 for labor cost? That's merely cheap for me. And plus you will get free car wash though.
Practically, Iridium would suggest any car below 100,000 mileage to try out their brand new oil. And of course it is subject to customer and our mechanic assessment of your car engine. Well, am I answering the question, Scott?
Absolutely, Lizzie. What about their operating hours?
Iridium are open Tuesday to Sunday and also public holiday. Monday is off day. Check out Iridium Facebook page for more info. You can book for appointment or walk-in. They are also quite responsive via chat or text.
Okay guys, don't wait. Book for your slot then. Iridium, your trusted partner in car engine oil consultation.